Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our 2020 Toyota Corolla. This is the all-new redesigned 12th generation. They added hybrid for the first time to their lineup. This is the premium package. It's in the Blizzard Pearl exterior, and it has the black Softex interior. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger, small-size sedan. Let's take a look inside. They're all auto up and down power windows, power locks, power adjustable mirrors, door seal protectors. Driver's seat is power adjustable. Passenger seat is manual adjustable. Driver's seat is lumbar support. With the interior lights for the dash, Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 is standard on the Corollas, and auto high beams is a part of that. You get a heated steering wheel, windshield wiper deicer. You have your gas release. Trunk release is down there. Steering wheel is leather wrapped, and it's tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. Also part of Toyota's Safety Sense is the pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and the dynamic radar cruise control. You get a 7-inch digital speedometer. And the hybrids are so quiet that you can't tell if it's really on or not, but that ready sign right there, that tells you that you're ready to drive. And the EV, that just means that just the hybrid battery is on. So you have your fuel economy, you have an eco score, it'll tell you how well you drive, how well you start, how well you cruise and stop. That's the sensitivity for the dynamic radar cruise control. Trip info, that tells you what's being used, so just the hybrid battery is on right now. With the settings for the lane tracing assist, the pre-collision system, the blind spot monitor, you have vehicle settings, any messages like low fuel or needing an oil change. It's a push button start. Has an 8-inch touchscreen display with a 6-speaker audio system, has AM/FM radio, it's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible, and this is where your backup camera is. You can customize your home screen, and the audio system, it's an in-tune audio, so it's compatible with Apple CarPlay, and you can use Scout GPS through your phone. Auto climate control settings, with air conditioning, rear defrost with timer, and heated mirrors. You also have an eco heat and cool, so this will adjust your fan speed and temperature to save more on fuel. Heated front seats, a wireless charger, you have USB and auxiliary port. You have different drive modes. There's eco and sport mode, traction control, EV mode, that lets you just use the hybrid battery in ideal conditions. It's an electronically controlled CVT transmission. It's your parking brake, your brake hold, dual cup holders, another USB and a 12-volt accessory outlet and glove box. Review mirror and your interior lights. They're 15-inch alloy wheels with wheel covers. Has a smart key entry system. The fuel consumption rating is 4.5 liters per 100 kilometers. There's a trunk release on the key fob. You get 2 sets of mats, one for the summer and one for the winter. The back seat is a 60-40 split if you need more room. There's power windows. There's heated rear seats. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Side curtain airbags, totaling 8 airbags for the Corolla. There's anchor points for the child car seats. And you get a center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The exterior mirrors are heated and power adjustable. Has an auto LED headlight system. A 1.8 4-cylinder engine with a net horsepower of 121. Come see our first ever 2020 Toyota Corolla Hybrid at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.